Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Achal Pant, dermatologist, and today I'm going to review a new brand which has launched a range of serums. Serums are concentrated formulation and they have an active ingredient which helps in correcting an underlying skin concern. So you can look into the ingredients and choose the serum according to your skin type. The brand is Bodilicious and the serums I have chosen from the brand are the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Coenzyme Q10 Serum, BHA Serum, Niacinamide Serum, and then no pigmentation serum. I'll give you details about each of these serums and in which conditions you can use them and how to use them. So let's get started. First is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid is that one ingredient which can be used by all skin types. Also, it pairs well with most of the other serums as well. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so it attracts water. You can use hyaluronic acid twice in a day on a damp skin and make sure that you apply a moisturizer to seal in so that you get the best results with the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps in smoothing out your wrinkles, reducing the appearance of fine lines, reducing the appearance of open pores, and also makes your skin appear more plump and youthful. Hyaluronic acid can pair well with retinol at night. You can even use it with a serum in the morning. So it can be used twice in a day. Take a few drops of the serum and apply it evenly over your whole face and neck twice in a day. You can use this as a first step of your routine or use the active serum before and then apply hyaluronic acid on top. Then follow it up with a moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning and follow it up with a moisturizer at night. This hyaluronic acid serum spreads well, it's non-sticky and does not pill. Apply a few drops on the whole face and neck twice in a day. The second serum is the CQ10 serum. Coenzyme Q10 is an antioxidant that works well in protecting the skin against harmful UV rays, also pollution. It reduces free radical damage to the skin. So if you are somebody looking to include an antioxidant serum in your routine, then this can be a good choice. If you are somebody who has used vitamin C in the past and you feel it either exacerbates acne or doesn't suit your skin or causes stinging, then you can go for a Coenzyme Q10 serum. This serum also slows the process of aging and reduces collagen breakdown that can occur as a part of aging. This serum contains Coenzyme Q10 3%, glutathione 2%, hyaluronic acid, squalane, niacinamide 1%. This serum has a watery texture. It can be used as a first layer of your skincare routine twice in a day. It pairs well with other serums and with retinol at night. If you're looking for a serum with antioxidant properties which also slows the process of aging, then this serum is a good choice for you. The third serum from Bodilicious is the BHA serum. This serum helps in gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation has its benefits. Exfoliation causes removal of the dead skin layer, thereby exposing a younger looking, more youthful, fresher, plumper skin. It also reduces the appearance of dark spots. Exfoliation can be done once or twice in a week, especially with this serum as it has a very low concentration of AHA and BHA. If you're going for a higher concentration of AHA, BHA serum, then you don't want to exfoliate more than once or twice in a month. Exfoliation also improves the absorption of other active ingredients because you're getting rid of the dead skin layer. The penetration of other active ingredients is better. Also in the long term, it helps in collagen synthesis and makes your skin appear more youthful. AHA/BHA serum also helps in improving your skin texture, open pores, along with reducing your fine lines and wrinkles. This Bodilicious AHA/BHA contains glycolic acid 5%, salicylic acid 2%, aloe vera extract, Centella asiatica extract, and pantothenol. It has a watery texture. 4 to 5 drops are enough to cover the whole face. You can use it 2 to 3 times in a week. It can be alternated with a retinol. This works best for oily acne-prone skin with prominent open pores. If you're looking for a serum for gentle exfoliation which also contains soothing ingredients, then this is a good choice. Because it contains aloe vera extracts and pantothenol, it makes it very gentle on the skin. Fourth serum is the Niacinamide serum. After hyaluronic acid, niacinamide is also another ingredient that will go well with all skin types. Niacinamide is a vitamin B3. It helps in reducing dark spots. It is an anti-inflammatory, helps in reducing acne. It reduces sebum production from the skin, increases ceramide synthesis, and repairs skin barrier. Because it blocks the redistribution of melanosomes, it helps in reducing dark spots. So niacinamide is a good ingredient to include if you're looking to improve your skin texture, reduce your open pores, reduce dark spots, and also improve your overall skin tone. Niacinamide pairs well with many active ingredients and it can be used in the morning and at night. This serum contains 10% niacinamide, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, dimethicone and pantothenol. This serum has a cloudy white color and has a gel-like consistency. It feels very moisturizing on the skin. This serum will suit you if you're looking for something soothing. It'll work for all skin types. The presence of pantothenol and zinc oxide makes it gentle on sensitive skin and will help in repairing skin barrier. Use a few drops on the whole face in the morning. Even though the serum has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide in it, it is not enough to provide you sun protection. Okay, so over the serum, you must use sunscreen. The fifth serum is the no pigmentation serum. Our skin type is very prone to develop dark spots, age spots and pigmentation. So this serum will help in reducing dark spots. This serum contains tranexamic acid, glutathione, ethyl ascorbic acid, kojic acid, azelaic acid, Centella asiatica and aloe vera extract. Kojic acid and azelaic acid block the enzyme tyrosinase which is required for melanin synthesis. Therefore, there is reduced amount of melanin that is produced and this helps in reducing dark spots. The combination of glutathione, vitamin C and tranexamic acid helps in further lightening dark spots. So this serum is very effective in reducing your dark spots. This serum has a transparent watery texture, non-sticky, fast absorbing and has no oily residue. This works well on dark spots left behind by acne, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and in maintenance of melasma. Use a few drops on the affected areas at night. This will suit all skin types. All the products from the brand Bodilicious are very result oriented. I like that the serums have very few ingredients and also they are fragrance free. So these will suit even sensitive skin type. My favorite serum from this lot is the Coenzyme Q10 serum. This will work well as an antioxidant and it is best to be used in the morning before your sunscreen. All these products are available on Amazon and I'll be mentioning the links in the description below. I hope you found this video useful. If you like some skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle Dr. Aanchal MD where I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.